California will be sending out $400 checks per adult taxpayer in California to offset the price of inflation and gas price inflation if the latest proposal in the California House is passed. We're going to break it down in this video. Who gets this $400? Why do they get this $400? When you may be able to receive this $400 and who it applies to. We're breaking that all down here in this video. My name is Kevin Conway. I make personal finance videos all the time. So please like this video, comment below with any questions or thoughts that you guys have. I really want to know, especially in California where we have $1.30 of taxes for every gallon of gas we put into our cars, where gas prices are $6, $7, or even more right now. What do you guys think of this proposal? Is it enough? Now let's just get right into the facts of the matter. So this is a proposal that is making its way through the Capitol right now, and it has support on both sides of the aisle, which is why we're talking about it here in this video. This isn't just something that has absolutely no chance of passing, like that $2,000 a month stimulus that was talked early on, a couple years ago. This actually has some legs to it, and that's because California is sitting on a $45 billion surplus, and it has very high gas taxes. Everybody's saying, well, why don't we just give some of that money back or cut the gas tax? The giving money back has a lot more support on it, and I'll tell you why. So this proposal is going to be a direct $400 check mailed just like the California Golden State stimulus or the federal government stimulus checks as well. Every single Californian adult taxpayer will get a $400 check. Every single one. There is no means testing. It doesn't matter if you make $1 or $1 million a year. It doesn't matter if you're Mark Zuckerberg or you're just some guy on the street. If you are an American taxpayer, you will get this $400. It won't be adjusted on income. It is just going to be basically like a universal basic income, which some proponents are saying this is going to be kind of a trial run. There's been universal basic income in a few different cities all throughout the country and in California, but that's more or less beside the point. So that is going to be the amount of money that you will receive if this bill passes. Now, when are they looking to pass this? Well, they're not looking to tie it to the state budget, which is typically done and finalized every June. They're looking to pass this as soon as possible, and potentially as soon as a couple of weeks from now. Why? Well, obviously because gas prices have gone up tremendously, and everybody looks at that and says, well, it probably isn't going to go down anytime soon. People are struggling right now. Their prices have gone up so much, from groceries to gas and everything in between, and they need relief right now. If you guys have any anecdotal stories, leave them in the comments below. I was at Costco the other day and I saw a watermelon for $10. That's really just unbelievable. I never would think that a watermelon would cost $10. But anyway, that's beside the point. So more on this Golden State stimulus. So obviously some of the proponents say a lot of people are paying more, so they need a rebate. But the people that are against this are saying, why don't we just cut the gas tax? Do a gas tax holiday for the next 6 months or year. That would be a much more targeted way to actually get money into the people's pockets who are affected by the rise in gas prices. Me, for example, I drive an electric car, so I think it would actually be quite unfair for me to receive $400 to offset the increase in gas prices when I never actually used gas in the first place. As opposed to somebody else who may drive very far and has a gas-powered car, they are going to be affected a lot more, and I think that if anything, the relief should go to those that it targets. The gas prices in California are higher than anywhere in the nation, largely because of the gas price taxes that are on every gallon of gas. So suspending that would allow people to actually get the direct relief that they need. Now, counter argument to that from some on the left side of the aisle say, well, it's not exactly the case that if we cut gas taxes, that the oil and gas companies would go ahead and actually lower the gas prices itself. They may just collect the difference in profit. Now, people say as a counterpoint to that, that's, a little bit partisan and cynical. You actually see Democratic governors that have already suspended the gas tax, such as in New Hampshire. They're planning on doing that, and that's not going to go straight to the bottom line of a bunch of oil companies either, and this would be a much more direct way to do it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So that's all we know right now about the California $400 tax rebate. Please share this with your friends and comment and like below. I'll bring you the latest as soon as anything changes on this front, or any more broad stimulus measures, or just personal finance matters in general. Please comment below, like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.